Hello everybody. Today I'll be discussing 3D printing and 3D printing for a sustainable Switzerland, how innovation meets the Sustainable Development Goals. So what is 3D printing? 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process where objects are created by layering materials based on a digital model. It's like printing a real object layer by layer instead of ink on paper. This technology is used to make everything from tools to prosthetics to entire buildings, often using less waste and energy than traditional manufacturing. Who is using 3D printing in Switzerland? A wide range of Swiss organizations and innovators are using 3D printing. Hospitals and research labs are printing custom implants and surgical tools. ETH Zurich, which is a top university, uses it for construction prototypes and robotic fabrication. And startups in industry in sectors like aerospace, watchmaking, and even food are embracing the tech. Why are they using 3D printing? Switzerland uses 3D printing for the following: to help reduce material waste, which is important for sustainability, accelerate innovation in medical, construction, and engineering sectors, customize products for individual health needs or complex designs, and support green tech solutions with lightweight and recyclable materials. Where are they using 3D printing? 3D printing is happening across the country in Switzerland. Zurich for construction, robotics, and academic research. Geneva for healthcare and prosthetics. Lucerne for product design and manufacturing startups. And the Swiss Alps even saw experimental 3D printing shelters to support sustainable tourism. When are they using 3D printing? Pretty much all the time. Switzerland is using 3D printing actively and continuously. As sustainability goals accelerate, this technology is becoming a key tool in meeting targets by 2030, which is the SDG deadline. How can 3D printing help solve local SDG issues in Switzerland? SDG 3, good health and well-being. 3D printed prosthetics, implants, and surgical tools tailored to patients reduce cost and improve care. SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Custom manufacturing supports local startups and reduces reliance on overseas production. Sustainable Development Goal 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities. ETH Zurich's 3D printed concrete structures are testing ways to reduce building emissions. SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. Additive manufacturing cuts waste and energy use, promoting circular economy principles. And finally, Sustainable Development Goal 13, Climate Action. Lightweight parts in transport and construction reduces carbon emissions long term. Finally, 2 truths and 1 lie. Switzerland is using 3D printing to create concrete buildings with robots. Swiss hospitals are printing custom organs for every patient. And the Swiss Alps once hosted a 3D printed mountain shelter. If you know which one it is, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. And thank you.